Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So I do a lot of wig videos and I understand it can be difficult for someone who is looking to purchase a lace wig, especially when it comes to selecting the color of the lace. So before we jump into today's install video, I want to show you guys 3 popular lace colors. Now the lace provided in this video is from Xrsbeauty. This is their regular lace, transparent lace, and their clear lace. In today's video, I will be using their clear lace on their lace frontal wig, but I wanted to show you guys the difference of each color once the lace is secured. Now I am using Got2b glue holding spray to secure the lace down, and as you can see, the regular lace, which is to my far right, is too dark for my skin tone. It's not blending, it's not looking natural. Now the middle lace, which is the transparent lace, it's pretty good. It's a lot more invisible compared to the dark lace. Far left, that lace, which is clear lace, is completely invisible. You can't even see the lace. Now I'm going in with heat just to help with the lace blending into the skin a lot more. So now that you guys see that the regular lace is a no-go, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of their transparent lace and their clear lace. So the transparent lace is pretty good. It definitely gives the clear lace a run for its money. But the clear lace is a super invisible, thin, melted lace. It is going to be the lace that gives you that scalp meltdown effect that us girls love with our wig installs. So just to give clarity, this is the difference between all of the lace colors. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video using Xrsbeauty clear lace.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Jump into the actual review and my opinion about this wig, can we just talk about how full this wig is? Let's just give this wig just a moment, okay? Let's just take a moment for this wig. Oh girl, when I tell you this wig is giving everything it's supposed to give, oh god, you need this wig. And this is a lot of hair. But it is so beautiful. Oh, this is such a pretty wig. But like, let's just do this, girl, because ooh. Alright, so let's get into it. First of all, you guys are not new to Xrsbeauty, and Xrsbeauty is definitely slaying the wig game right now and definitely giving their competitors a true run for their money. When I tell you they are delivering with quality, amazing hairline, amazing bleached knots and density, girl, they did not come to play at all. I've done 3 reviews for them right now. In the first video, I fell in love with their wig. I've done a loose wave, curly, and now a straight texture with Xrsbeauty, and they did not come to play. Okay, Xrsbeauty has become known for their clear lace, their super superb hairline, their super superb bleached knots. I mean, you guys saw the video. I don't even have to tell you why, because you guys saw the video. You guys saw how this wig was melting into my skin without even securing the wig. Girl, when I tell you this is a wig you need, believe me, this is one wig that if you don't get nothing else, if you don't get none of the wigs that I recommend, this is the wig that you definitely need. So I did not do any plucking. I did not do any bleaching. What you saw is exactly what you get. So I just want to go through the details real quick about Xrsbeauty and their hair. I mean, it is definitely what they say it is. This is a clear, transparent lace that is so real it melts into your skin. And you guys saw how this lace was turning out before I even secured it down with the Got To Be Glue gels, with the Got To Be Glue gel and spray. And you guys saw how this hairline was just giving. Yeah, like, it is such a clean hairline. Like, ooh, girl, it's a lot of hair. Like, look at how flat that is, y'all. And then just look at the hair. Y'all see that? Oh my god, this is a 22 inch? No way. So according to the detail, this is a 22 inch, really feels like a 24 inch. The density is 200. This is a 13x6 clear lace hairline. Girl, Xrsbeauty, I recommend this company to beginners to professionals because it's going to give you what it needs to give. From their curly texture to their loose wave texture to now their straight texture. They're not playing with y'all. I would definitely highly recommend that you try this wig. Try XRS, period. If you are on the market looking for a wig that comes with a super natural, and I mean like beyond natural, like girl, that is your hair, or girl, you went to the best damn hairstylist it is in your city, okay, or I know you pay a couple $100 for your wig installed, okay. If you need that type of vibe, or you need that type of energy when it comes to people seeing your hair, baby, I'm gonna need you to stop playing with yourself and go to Xrsbeauty, okay, and get this wig, because this wig is gonna give you all of what I just said, okay. Thank you for tuning in for today's video and watching me get my life with Xrsbeauty Hair. So everything that you need to know, of course, again, will be below in the description bar, and I will see you guys on the next video.